And it has been a long time, Gundam fans and folks. This is Mixer Wars, and I'm going to unbox an entry grade. And that entry grade is the entry grade of RX-78-2, the granddaddy of all Gundams. And yes, this kit has been bought in or from Hobby Toys Laguna as part of their 7th-year anniversary build-up. So, if you want some new kits and toys and some of your hobby needs, please do try visit Hobby Toys Laguna for their 7th-year anniversary. So, let's take a quick look at the entry grade box. Here we can see the Gundam assembled here, RX-78-2 with some of the runners down here. Yep. And off to the side, some information on how easy it is to remove the parts and assemble it. Some information. And yes, the granddaddy himself again. So let's take a pop open on the box. So first off, we are greeted with one box with 2 runners. Each runner is multicolored, one runner having reds, blues, yellows, and grays. Same with the other one. The instruction manual here, which I'll open a while, and 2 other runners, which is only pure white. And if we check the manual here, since this is the very first entry grade, I think. Yep. So here we go. It shows you how easy it is to assemble. So let's take a look individually at the runners. So first up, we have the A1 and A2 plate here. So as you can see, this is most likely, yes, the inner workings of the Gundam. We see here the backpack. I think this is for the joints. We see a manipulator here. Parts of the chest. Yeah, at least I think this is mostly part of the chest. And oh, we do have some parts of the head here. We also have the A3 and A4 plate here, where I got parts of the shield, feet, the armaments, and of course the joints again. We also have a B1 and B2 plate here. Or B1 and B2 is mostly the armors of the Gundam, of course the shield here. And lastly, a B3 and B4 plate. Again, the armors of the Gundam, but this time is the feet. So there you have it, Gundam fans and folks. Those was the contents of the entry grade box of RX-78-2. And once again, please do try to subscribe to the channel, like, and view other videos. And again, until next time, see you.